Hey everybody, welcome to Medling World. Today I'm going to give you an in-depth tour of a balcony room here on Royal Caribbean's Harmony of the Sea. It's a Central Park balcony room, actually. So, we just came in the room. This room is actually it's on the 11th deck, room 577. As you walk in, you're going to see, here's your bathroom. Let's take a look inside the bathroom here, guys. You're going to find your towels. Cool. Nice big mirror. Love this. Hey, guys. We have some drinking glasses. Nice storage here. Looks like some outlets up there for charging purposes, maybe for electric things that you need. Razors. Got our toilet. Little trash can. Cool. Now let's take a look at this shower. All right. Nice, good size shower. Nice. Plenty of room in there, man. That's a good size shower for a cruise ship. I'll take that. And a couple hooks. Really cool too. Love that. Now guys, be careful when you're on cruise ships. They always seem to be elevated here, so careful as you walk down. And then to the left, nice storage area. And we have a safe. Several nice areas here to store some of your luggage. Kind of a narrow area to hang, but also have some nice drawers there. Cool. And then we have some lights. Let's see. Oh, love that. Cool, cool, cool. Oh, one thing I wanted to mention is you gotta put a card in here to get your lights to work. This card was actually already in here, so that was pretty cool. Somebody left that in here for us. We got our AC going around. Now, these are two beds that are pushed together. I believe it's a king. It forms a king, so they say. And I really like how the TV kind of positions out, so if you're over on that side of the room, you can still watch it. Or you can just make it flush. That's neat. So carrying through, I did not see any outlets on that side. There is an outlet there. And we have a switch here. Let's see what this does. I like to play with stuff. Oh, okay. So that shuts the light off above our bed. Neat. And then another light. I like what they're doing here because this kind of puts the bed into the wall instead of having, you know, on the other cruise ships I've been on, the closets just seem so huge and big, which is good for storage. But this kind of, you can make the room a little bit wider, right? So another closet here. Plenty of hangers, plenty of room in there. You can drop this down. A lot of people say, oh, you can use it and hang things. Yeah, I guess, but you could also put a small, like if you had a little carry-on or something, you could put it on there. That's what I've used them for in the past. Coming right along, I do like the full-length mirror there too as well, guys. And now, as we come over here to the desk, you're going to have your remote for the TV. You're going to have some more outlets here. Oh, this is cool. They do have USB outlets. Some regular USA plugs, international. Another switch. Oh, the mirror has a nice light around it. I love that. Face mask looks like, which are no longer required. And your super special mask. Hand sanitizer always comes in handy though. And some more. Oh, we got some room service menus in there. More storage. This is actually, what I learned from my last cruise is this is not actually a refrigerator, it's a cooler. So, pretty small too. So, it's not meant to, you know, keep things ice cold. It's just meant to keep them cool. Oh, here's our hair dryer, Kleenex, more drawers. And this is a really good sized couch, which will fold out to a bed. Really neat. And then some nice artwork here. So I think there is enough outlets to get by, right? But this is really what we wanted this room for, is the balcony overlooking Central Park. And what we did is we did the, if you allow Royal Caribbean to pick your room, you can save a few $100s. So we said, yeah, you guys can go ahead and pick. Jake's giving me a hand with the tour. Jake, why don't we go right outside, pull that all the way up, Keep going. Yep, now push it right. I think you slide it, Jake. Slide to your left, the door. Like this. I'll show you, bud. Aha. So you can definitely, Jake, I want you to do something for me. Inside here with that door open, you can really hear the music. Jake, can you shut the door? I want to see the difference. So we were just doing the tour, right? Let me try to lock it again. I didn't really hear that music too loud. So yeah, if you really actually secure that, right? As we were doing the tour of the room, I just said, wow, that music's pretty loud, but it doesn't really bother us. And look at beautiful, beautiful balcony here, guys. We do have a neighbor on that side, but Jake, I'm thinking, I like the table, I like these chairs. They look like they do recline. Let's see. Yeah, they do recline back nicely. This is just cool. People walking around down there. Let's come right out over the edge. Look at this, guys. This is amazing. There is Central Park. All live trees. All the restaurants. Look at how cool that is. And off to this side, guys, this is actually the forward area of the ship. Elevator's right there, so if we go in our room around the corner, we have the elevator access. And look right across. See some other friends over there. But what I'm loving is we're all the way on the end, so look, there's no balcony on the other side of us. That is really cool. And we're just a couple decks up from the ground here, so you got the ground level there. Then it looks like just a view, right? Central Park view, balcony, so kind of right in the middle of everything right here, deck-wise. Definitely more towards the forward of the ship, but man, it's just beautiful, awesome. I hope you enjoyed the room tour today on Medling World. Please take a moment, subscribe to Medling World. Leave me a comment. Have you ever stayed in a Central Park balcony room? What's your favorite balcony room? I think we're gonna have a really good time in this one. Thank you so much for watching. Please take a moment, subscribe. And last but not least, see ya!